Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 4008 Bagley Street. Date's July 7th, 2020. I'm out here because the sewer backed up into the basement of the house, into the clean out, or the sink down here. Soft blockage ended up being a pretty big process just to get it cleared today. So I want to give the homeowners an option to make this kind of a permanent fix. So what we're looking at there is a Seattle City main. This is where the responsibility of the homeowner ends and the city takes over. So I'm going to pull back from here. We're about 102 feet out. I'm going to zero that out. And we're going to come back from that point. The camera footage is a little more accurate on the way back than it is going out for whatever reason. But we're looking at 6-inch clay pipe, and so it takes a pretty steep dive down there to get to the main. Almost a 90-degree dive down there. I'm sure the main is pretty deep out under the street. Again, this is 6-inch clay pipe. There's a seam in the pipe every 3 feet. There is a seam right there that you're looking at. Another seam there. Again, we're in 6-inch diameter pipe now. Sooner than later, we're going to come back into 4-inch diameter pipe. And it looks like that may be the spot right there. Yep, we're going from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter pipe right there. I'm going to go locate this spot out in the front there and find out where we're at. I'm going to pause the video really quickly and be right back. Alright, I was able to locate that spot. So we're looking at about 32 feet of 6-inch pipe before we get back into 4-inch. I'm going to zero out our footage here. So we're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. You can see most of this stretch looks pretty good thus far. But still original clay piping. So we're starting to come back into the belly now. So I've located this spot out in the yard. This would be the main portion of this dig. So I'm going to look at footage here. We've got about 11 feet of 4-inch that will go into a 4x6 liner if we were to go all the way down to the main. I'm going to zero out the footage again there because this is where the belly's going to start. Or the dig anyhow, for the belly. Oops, I think I messed that up a little bit. So that wasn't where the belly, that was a very small belly that I'm not too concerned about. This is the larger belly here. So what we had about 11 feet plus 16 feet, 27 feet of 4-inch and 32 feet of 6-inch. And zero this out again. This will be the belly portion of this dig here. So here's the part where we're underwater. So our trench is going to be about 20 feet long. And then we're going to do another short stretch of liner back up into the house. And we're getting pretty close back to here now. You see some root coming in there. And there, right there is the cast iron transition. So we try to line back right into that and eliminate those sections of roots there. So I'll write up a bid to show that. We're going to leave this cast iron alone. That looks to be in good shape. And I will be able to write up the proposal based on that. Ending the video there.